Quarter 1, Module 15, Visualizing Division of Fractions. In this module, you are going to gain an understanding of visualizing division of fractions. Remember, your multiplication skill is still needed, as well as your artistic side will be tested. You need to interpret, understand, and solve the problem along the way. Let's have a pretest. Give the equation of the following models, illustrations of the division of fraction. Number 1, so meron tayong number line. Ang number line natin ay hanggang 2. So, in this illustration, this is 2, then divide by 1/8. So, para makuha natin yung sagot, bibilangin natin ilang 1/8 ang meron sa 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, merong 16 na 1/8 sa 2. Number 2, so meron tayong 1 whole. Yung 1 whole natin, divide natin sa 1/10. To get the answer, let's count how many 1/10s in 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 1/10 in 1 whole. Number 3, 7 wholes divided by 1/2. So let's count how many halves are there in 7 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 halves in 7 wholes. Number 4, how many fourths are there in 1 whole? So 1 divided by 1/4. To get the answer, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. There are 4 fourths in 1 whole. Number 5, in 5 wholes, how many 1/4? So in 5 wholes, 5 divided by 1/4. To get the answer, let's count the 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 fourths in 5 wholes. Number 6, how many fifths are there in 2 wholes? So 2 divided by 1/5. Para makuha natin yung sagot, bibilangin natin ilang 1/5 meron sa 2 wholes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, merong 10 wholes are there in 10 fifths are there in 2 wholes. Number 7, how many sixths are there in 1 whole? So, 1 divided by 1/6. To get the answer, let's count the number of 1/6 in 1 whole. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Number 8, how many fifths are there in 4 wholes? So 4 divided by 1/5. To get the answer, bilangin natin ilang 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, merong 20 na 1/5 sa 5 wholes. Number 9, ilang 1/8 meron sa 1 whole? So, 1 divided by 1/8. So, bilangin natin ilang 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ang sagot ay 8. Merong 8 na 1/8 sa 1 whole. Number 10, how many 1/3 are there in 6 wholes? So, bilangin natin. So, 6 divided by 1/3. To get the answer, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, merong 18 na 1/3 sa 6 wholes. So, this is our topic. Lesson 1, Visualizing Division of Fraction. In the previous module, you have learned how to multiply fractions using models. In multiplying fractions using models, it can be represented by a square or a rectangle. Divide the rectangle or square into equal parts according to the fractions given. The part of the whole representing the product is the region that has been double shaded. So let's have a review. 1/2 times 1/3, or get 1/2 of 1/3. So 1/2. So this is 1/2. Out of 2 equal parts, 1 shaded part, times 1/3. So out of 3, so yung isa ay hinati natin in column, yung isa hinati natin in rows. So out of 3, 1 yung shaded part. So we have the double shaded part, the orange part, which is 1 out of 6 rectangles. So let's try this. 1/3 times 2/3 equals 2/9. So this is 1/3 times 2/3. Then we have the double shaded part is 2. So out of 9 equal parts. So 2/9. 3/5 times 1/2. So this is 3/5. 3/5. So out of 5 equal parts, there are 3 shaded parts, times 1/2. So 1 shaded part out of 2 equal parts. Then we can form this double shaded part, the orange color. We have 3 out of 10. So 3/10. Number 3, 2/4 times 1/2. 2/4. So out of 4 equal parts, there are 4, out of 4 equal parts, there are 2 shaded parts. Then 1/2 out of 2 equal parts, 1 shaded part. Then to combine, we can form the double shaded, the orange part. We have 2 out of 8 equal parts. Number 4, 2/5 times 1/2. 2/5 times 1/2. So 2/5, out of 5 equal parts, there are 2 shaded parts, color red. Then 1/2 out of 2 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. To combine, we can form a double shaded parts. There are 2 double shaded parts out of 10. Note, recall the multiplication and division are inverse operations. So, in number 1, where 1/3 times 2/3 equals 2/9, it follows that 2/9 divided by 1/3 equals 2/3, and 2/9 divided by 2/3 equals 1/3. Tina's best friend is celebrating her birthday next week. He wants to surprise his best friend with a gift. He has 1 meter ribbon. He will use this to make a flower decoration to wrap the gift. How many flowers will Glenn make out of the 1 meter ribbon if one flower consumed 1/5 meter? To visualize, so out of 1 meter, we are going to divide into 5 equal parts. So that is 1 divided by 1/5. So each part is 1/5. So 1 divided by 1/5. Para makuha natin ilang 1/5 ang makukuha natin doon sa 1 meter, bibilangin natin. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So merong 5 1/5 sa 1 meter. So ibig sabihin, so ang magagamit niya ay 5 flowers. Another example, so 8 wholes divided by 1/2. So we have here 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 1/2. So alam na po natin, kapag ang isang 1 whole, pag dinivide natin sa 1/2, dalawang 1/2 yun. So, para makuha natin yan, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ayun. So, merong 16 halves in 8 wholes. Another activity, fill in the blanks. Number 1, 2 divided by 1/4. So, this is how many fourths are equal to 2 wholes. So the answer is there are, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So merong 8 fourths. Number 2, 5 divided by 1/2. So this is how many halves are equal to 5 wholes. So, para makuha natin ilan, so count natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10. Number 3, 3 divided by 1/5. So, how many fifths are equal to 3 wholes? So, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15. Number 4, 4 divided by 1/7. So there are how many sevenths are equal to 4 wholes? So let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So there are 28. Number 5, 1 divided by 1/7. So, how many sevens are equal to 1 whole? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 7. Number 6, 5 divided by 1/6. How many sixths are equal to 5 wholes? So, 1, there are 30. Thank you.